An alternative to watching videos on the internet other than YouTube is Vimeo. It's another social network where you can watch videos without having to see so many ads and with better quality. It allows you to upload videos from all your devices and cloud storage platforms to host and stream them in 4K Ultra HD. Thanks to all the effective tools, you can organize, share, and manage your videos. It also optimizes workflow and facilitates collaborations with video review tools. The ability to confidentially share videos and integrations with Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro and more. It allows you to insert your videos on any website, sell them all over the world, or start your own subscription service. You can attract your viewers and optimize your videos with detailed marketing and analysis tools. With Vimeo Live, you can stream live 1080p HD and get reliable tools to boost interaction. To start, log in to www.vimeo.com. At the start will appear a series of videos that you can see are classified in different sections as the best of the month, those that are being trending, etc. At the bottom of the screen, the different categories in which all the videos are classified appear, if you are interested in a particular one. At the top there are a number of options. Choose Join to log in and create your profile on Vimeo. You can choose to connect with your Facebook profile. To find friends on Vimeo, you can use the option to follow other friends that you have on other networks such as Facebook or Twitter and that use Vimeo. You can configure your profile in Vimeo by choosing your username, profile photo, and a small biography. Then you can use the options that appear at the top. This toolbar has access to the Video Manager, view, search, or upload your videos. Once you upload your video, you can choose a frame for the thumbnail, remove it or edit it, define an H rating, add subtitles, include photographs, among other options.